na siya ang formation sa rocks, mga kabesh. And nice food siya, in fairness.
Magandang dilag, puso ko yung nabiha. Wala nang minanais, ligaya at labis. Oh, magandang dilag. Bawat lakad mo lahat sila'y napapatingin. Di mo wari, ba't ganon ang nangyayari sa akin? Isang ngiti mo lang parang nagkakabaliw. Ano bang ginawa mo? Ako'y naaaliw. Tinatanaw kita.
Hey guys, it's me again, Pretty Akhira, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, guys, it's my special day, and it's my birthday today, June 18, 2021, and I just want to celebrate my birthday simple. So nami karon sa hinihingal ako, Roy. Oh my god.
You have edit.
We are here in, what's the name, Roy?
Stenar. Stenar, rocks.
So ayan nga, makahapo mga kabesh kay musaka mo sa bungtod. So pero I just want to celebrate my birthday simple. So naka-decide may mga ari mi diri mag-date sa akong boyfriend. So how far? How many minutes
there,
to?
I guess. A little closer.
Okay. And it's really warm here. Yeah. So it's almost same like Philippines. It's how many degrees, Roy? 32?
It should be all between 25 to 32, I guess.
25 to 32 degrees. So murag Pilipinas ra jud siya, guys. Warm jud siya. Pero ako yogi ko ninyo, guys, at sa Stenar. See ya! So we're getting closer to Stenar. And grabe jud kainit, mga kabesh. Makaluya ang kainit. Pero okay ra. At least. So it's your first time here also, Roy?
Yeah.
How many years is this done?
1,400. I think so.
Kapag lakaw, guys. Grabe. Init. Pero okay lang.
Is it like a boat?
What do you mean about?
Is it the creation of a boat or something? Like the old Vikings or
I don't know.
Viking stones?
I thought it's a circle,
I'm not sure.
but it's not.
Maybe it's a boat instead.
Yeah,
Formation of a boat. Maybe.
I think so. Ayan na nga, mga kabesh, nanami diri sa Stenar. Muna na siya. Formation of the rocks. So muna siya ang formation sa rocks, mga kabesh. And nice food siya, in fairness. Here. Alright, muna siya. Magduro sa dagat, mga kabesh.
Yeah, it's a ship.
What did you say?
It's a formation ship.
I thought
Because
it's a
the
circle.
Vikings were
I thought it's a circle.
59 stones.
59 stone. na siya mga kabesh. Dagat na dito nga part. Nice siya. And imbis init kayo siya, nawala ang kainit kay medyo hangin siya dere. So nice kay siya. Ayan.
It's also gray.
What do you mean gray?
Yeah, cemetery.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because they want the people to sail on in their life, you know. I guess.
Here? In every stone?
Can be from the Iron Age or the Wendell Age. So it's 400 to 900 after Christ.
I thought it's a big stone.
You thought it would be bigger stones?
Yeah, bigger stone.
Yeah. But you know, it's a human who had to carry this. It's no machine back then.
Yeah, exactly. It's still amazing. Naamis doon sa may dagat mga kabesh. Ayan, mo na yung view. Iyang view. Nice view, but nakatamak kong tais kabaw, besh.
Look what you wore.
Yeah, there's a lot of, oh my god, carabao manure. Oh my god, my new shoes has a poop. Nice view. So mauna to guys, after all in Stenar, we're going to Harbour, right?
Harbour of Kosebaya.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
we're walking now on our way to Harbour. So hindi kami wala kami nagstay although guys sa all in Stenar kasi nag-expect ko nga dagko jud kay siyang mga bato guys pero di man di ay. So padulong namin sa Harbour. It's nice guys, kay naa siya yung mga flowers and everything while walking padulong sa Harbour. See? Hindi siya diri. And mo na siyang Harbour guys. It's really nice. And a little warm, but ang hangin sa dagat, it makes
Try to
cold.
sit there.
Yeah, we can sit there. Yeah, there.
Yeah, you can sit there.
Yeah.
Or if it's there's down
There, down, yeah. So we are now in Harbour. Where are we gonna sit?
You can sit here. There's no shadow. But it's okay to sit there for a while.
Yeah. So, human naming lunch mga kabesh. And naami dapit diri sa pinakadagat yun sa Harbour. And galakaw-lakaw rami. Pawala lang sa kalaay. And ang mga gurumig isda. So we are here in the Harbour. Yeah.
Small little harbor.
Yeah.
With just a couple of boats.
So nice kayang back.
Is it like Philippines?
I don't know, maybe. So ang pinakabak na ko mga kabesh kaya na siya mga flowers do. Na siya mga buwak. Dito dapit sa may mountain. Ako ni ang pinaka tibo ko, Harbour. Dire mga kabesh. Oh, may nangaligo mga kabesh daw. Laban. Nice kay siya view mga kabesh, no? Nice. Nandito kay nay nangisda. Laki ga plano maligo sa dagat. So galakaw-lakaw lang ko. So after all is Stenar, guys, we're going to what place, right? Where are we going now?
Saltsjöbaden. Saltsjö. Salt Lake. Salt Sea. Salt Sea.
In English.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's a spa destination, and I guess it's restaurants here also. People are enjoying here.
Yeah, so
You have the sea here also.
we are on our way.
We're walking down for 200 meters, I guess.
200 meters.
It's not much.
Yeah.
We're used to walking Sweden. We walk a lot
Yeah, exact.
because we are already, we eat a lot of pork and fried chicken and rice, so we need to walk a lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Recording at the same time. Oh. Even if it's like 3 cameras, you can't flip.
No.
My God.
I don't know what happened to the iPhone.
Happened to the iPhone?
I cannot believe.
Because it's another camera. Why is it not possible just to flip?
I don't know.
Is something problem with your phone?
I don't know. It's hard. I told you before. We are here in the destination. Ayan. Medyo init siya mga kabesh. Yeah. Sunny kay siya. It's good weather.
Yeah.
So naami sa beach resort.
Yeah, this is a beach resort, yeah.
Yeah.
And it's a high quality. I don't know if it's like possible to go in there, but it should be really nice.
Where
I like this resort.
are we going?
Just walking the beach road. And if you feel to go naked in this water, you're welcome.
Una ang resort mga kabesh. Ano siya?
Are you shy?
What shy?
Are you shy?
Yeah. Takaw kami. Dagan nga ligo karon. Daghan mga junjun mga kabesh.
Jun.
Nice kaayo. Pero init jud siya karon ay as in. Mura siya Pilipinas.
It's the Salt Sea Bath. It's a Saltsjöbad. And it's a resort spa.
Okay.
So you also have restaurant here when you have different massages, and you go here.
What is that in there? Is it?
This is just a lounge group where you can sit and enjoy. But I think guests also can come here. They have a restaurant for everyone.
Oh, nice.
Welcome lunch 11 to 2, but I guess they start the evening food soon.
Yeah.
The dinner.
It's also a hotel.
It was also from the 1897 it started.
Yeah, but is it also a hotel?
Yeah, it's a hotel with a resort. You come here to get massage.
Very nice.
It's a really nice place.
Yeah. So mura rin siya Pilipinas diri mga kabesh. Oh, Ginawa. Mura rin kung naa sa Cebu. Haggard na kayo ko mga kabesh. Grabe among lakaw sa kainit mo dyan Pilipinas mga kabesh. Ay, Ginoo ko. Na-work pa ugma. Good luck. Tsaka dal na ang bayot mga kabesh. But it's okay. I enjoyed a lot. Ay, Ginoo ko. Sa Sayon, Malmo mga kabesh. We are here in Malmo na mga kabesh. Malmo Triangle. Mangita na may restaurant. Diri may mga ni hapon. So after nang umani hapon, mauli na may kay napoy work ugma. Tara may restaurant diri. Ari may mga on. Yes, we are here in the restaurant mga kabesh. And in the Thai restaurant. Daghan yung mga restaurant gadto, but daghan mga tao. Ganun sila ng mga tao. So we decided to eat here in Thai restaurant. We are waiting for our foods. We're going home now. We're on our way to the train station.
And we are tired.
Yeah, and I have a work tomorrow.
Our legs are worn out.
Yeah, we eat in the restaurant, Thai restaurant.
Yeah. Akira eat all of my food because he found out that the noodles were almost like in the Philippines.
Yeah, exactly. It's not what do you call that, Ray? A restaurant that
It's not a 5-star, but
it's really good food.
it's really authentic, almost authentic.
Yeah,
to-
it's
to
really good
Thailand.
food. Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, it was really good. And we're not too full also. I don't like to be too full. God, you can still walk.
Yeah.
You can still sit.
And we
And
drink
I gave Akira a bottle of white wine also. so
Yeah.
she's tipsy.
a little Pepsi. And look at me, I'm so chaka,
I got
haggard. Alright.
hard.
We are here on the train station waiting for our train. What time, right?
49.
7, 8,
Nah, 8:49.
8:49 in the
9 more
evening.
minutes. 10
so
more minutes.
We need to wait 10 minutes for the train. And that's all for today, mga kabesh. And,
Besh.
and thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. And have a good weekend all. I love you all. Bye-bye.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.